Dogs are barking. Especially the one I worked on last night. Boca is just waking up. The birds are awake. What? This little one. When I was here last time, this dog had actually fallen off the roof. Up here. See? See that top part? The dog somehow actually fell off the roof. I don't know how. I didn't ask. I worked on her last night. I did some energy work. I say, this is what happens in Ishkalima. Everybody's still asleep and I'm awake. It's no problem, Mom. Today, I'm waiting, and I will be going shopping. Oh gosh, you can't see this. The dining room here at Ishkalima. Let's see, yeah. Check it out. Look at that view. I'm really embarrassed because I don't even have a toothbrush. Nothing this morning after yesterday. I have to start over from scratch today. I got nada. I just can't breathe on anybody, I guess. Oh, there's a bunch of cattle down there in a field. Well, hola. Buenos días, ¿cómo está? So, day one, morning one, after being robbed yesterday. And here we are. Es bonito, ¿no? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Roosters all over the place crowing. It's Vilcabamba down there. See that little bitty tiny town down there? Vilcabamba. Yep. Okay. Ciao.